Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing of the extra bass stereo headphones by Sketchfab. And this is obviously a pair of stereo headphones. As you can see, these are circumaural or supraaural depending on how they sit on your ears. And on the other side we can see they have some emphasis on bass. They have a feature called Bass Booster, which provides an acoustically tight seal for superior sound isolation, deep bass sound and tight bass response. And they have a little bit of extra information regarding the swivel as well as the cushion comfort. And then you have something about the dock, and in a big icon over here you have the jack. So it's a 3.5mm jack, and also it states that it uses 30mm drivers. So let's get on with the unboxing. These seem to be fairly simple. There you go. It seems to be stuck at something. Having some, okay, finally. And some additional card on the inside. This is for seeking feedback, so Sketchfab wants to know whether you're happy or not happy. And on the other side you have support information for Sketchfab, their email ID, the website, the phone numbers, and also all their social IDs on the other end. Now let's get on to the headphones themselves. As you can see, these have Sketchfab branding on both ear cups. These are plastic and very, as in, you don't feel any instance of metal. So let's try to sort of expand the cups, headbands. So there are two steps of expanding it. One is this particular headband going into the chassis over here, and there's another protrusion for the ear cups which also extend from this little plastic chassis. So you have two avenues for expanding the headsets, and then there's obviously the tilt. Now these are a bit rigid and extremely plasticky, so that's something you guys must be concerned about. And on this end we can only extend the top band. The lower band is not coming out whatsoever. Maybe we'll have to put some additional force, but we are not going to try that for fear of wanting to break it. Then you can look at the cushions as well as the cabling. It's just tied together with the little zip tie. You have that out of the way, and that's about it. And as mentioned in the box, it uses a TRRS 3.5mm jack, so this should be compatible with all your smartphones, tablets and whatnot. And once again, this was a quick unboxing of the Sketchfab extra bass stereo headphones. In case you'd like us to do similar unboxings in the future, please do like and share this video. Thank you for watching.